Hello, I got more Chiyogami paper in, and so my next book is a little bit Asian themed, but mostly just vintage papers with the Chiyogami paper on the cover. And I wanted to make another thick one. It's, I think, about 6 by 9, and I also had gotten some new sari silk, so I wanted to use that on the edges and just have something kind of easy to use and not full of stuff. So there's pockets and places to tuck things in, but I didn't fill this up too much. Well, I didn't really fill it up at all. So I was still enjoying the different papers that I'd made and some other paper that I had picked up, handmade paper, and the vintage sort of Asian writing. I think this is, actually I'm not really sure what this is. I think it's an Indian something. And then I do have a Japanese magazine of women's kimonos, and I thought those were really wonderful, so I've tucked a few of those in here. But otherwise, this is a really simple book, really just vintage papers. I mean, vintage paper, vintage Asian, lots of the sari silk. This is a great journal for writing and drawing in with different kinds of papers, of watercolor paper, and a little bit of pattern papers, handmade papers, but really a lot. This one was really super cute. It's like a little girl with flowers in her hair. You can show the hairstyle and some Asian maps. I think this is Korea. It's a little bit of a fun combination of paper in here, different things that I had. This paper is really interesting because it's almost like a waterproof paper, and some Japanese dictionary. It's beautiful sari silk. And this was another really cute one with the little girl. some purses. And the back has different paper, and then this the cloth is also oh, and then so the tag, I just slid this in because I kind of had this so this can just slide in there, and but you can obviously put anything else in there, and if you wanted to glue this down, this can slide in very nicely there. And but so I thought I liked the color in there, but you know, you can certainly put anything you want in there or add to that one. What I was going to say was this is a really nice book cloth, and yeah, so lots of just a fun. I'm not sure what I'm going to work on next. I just love Chiyogami paper, so every so often I kind of come back to it and make another one with it, just because I love how the paper works together. Even though such different colors, it looks nice and sets each other off, and I just really enjoy that. And the sari silk was real pretty, so I feel like it's very rich colors and just a great book for journaling or taking along on some trips. Thanks.